My Mendota gas insert fire went out and now there is a beeping noise coming from the firebox. Can't figure out what the beep is. Thanks for any help. There are two parts to the remote, the handheld portion, and the receiver. Both have batteries, and when the receiver batteries begin to get too low, it will turn off the fireplace. The beeping is a low battery signal. Look under the fireplace and find the receiver box and change the batteries. What happens now? Your chat has ended, but you can still work with your expert to get an answer to your question if you have not yet received one. Come back to this page at any time to see additional information from your expert. You will also receive an email when your question is updated. If you want to send a message to your expert, use the box below.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.